From jaw-dropping designs to mind-bending machines, innovation just flexed harder than ever. Buckle up. We're diving headfirst into 20 wildly amazing tools and technologies, proving that the word impossible is basically extinct. Yes, real-life sci-fi. Get ready, because the future officially arrived early, and it's totally fabulous. Say hello to your new workshop MVP, the SC Screw Clamp. Packing tough, malleable cast-iron jaws, a reinforced hollow profile rail, and a grippy anti-slip corrugated design. This thing clamps like a champ. Add a comfy plastic handle for effortless tightening, and you've got a woodworking and metalworking powerhouse. The brushless impact wrench delivers up to 600 Newton-meters of fastening torque and 800 Newton-meters of breakaway torque for demanding automotive and maintenance tasks. 3 power modes, triple-ring LED lighting, a lightweight design, and an ergonomic grip provide powerful, comfortable, and precise performance. The V-TUF Mini-X 2 M-Class Dust Extractor delivers powerful portable dust collection with H13 HEPA filtration that captures 99.9% of harmful particles. Designed for direct power tool extraction and job site cleanup, it helps maintain cleaner workspaces, safer air quality, and compliance with dust control standards. The Powerbuilt cooling system. Diagnostic program makes locating radiator and cooling system leaks fast and accurate. Featuring a heavy-duty pressure test pump, color-coded gauge, and comprehensive adapter kits for domestic, Japanese, and European vehicles, it simplifies diagnostics for both professional technicians and DIY mechanics. Ruler, meet your upgrade. The Infinity Tools Indexing stainless steel ruler is a measuring layout and setup wizard rolled into one sleek tool. With crisp etched graduations, a nifty sliding stop for repeatable precision, and a built-in height gauge, it's rock-solid accuracy for woodworking, machine setup, and daily workshop wins. This cordless jigsaw cuts loose, smoothly slicing straight and curvy lines with 4 pendulum settings for total control. Tool-free blade changes mean zero fuss, while the adjustable aluminum base keeps things sturdy. With built-in LED lighting and a comfy soft grip handle, wood, steel, and plastic don't stand a chance. Say goodbye to messy maintenance. The SKIL Grease Gun brings fast, consistent lubrication with cordless freedom and high-pressure muscle to tackle any job. No cords, no hassle, no drama. Just smooth, clean performance every time. Your equipment will practically purr with joy. Maintenance just got seriously satisfying, folks. Big Saw Energy incoming. This extendable table saw flexes a powerhouse 2,000-watt motor and a massive 590mm rip capacity for lightning-fast, laser-accurate cuts. Adjustable blade tilt, smart overload protection, and a high-speed blade make it a woodworking beast, ready to tackle renovations and pro workshop projects like an absolute legend. Lawn Chaos, meet your match. The 20-volt cordless grass trimmer makes trimming and edging feel almost too easy. Lightweight design, a generous 300mm cutting path, and a nifty built-in edging wheel. Its high-speed motor and tough twisted line deliver crisp, clean results while you conquer more ground, faster than ever. Say hello to stress-free stairs. The Stair Tread Template tool crafts spot-on templates for treads, risers, and other tricky irregular surfaces, slashing waste and guesswork. Its adjustable design turns complex measurements into child's play, making staircase installation faster, smoother, and impressively professional. Your staircase just got a serious upgrade. Heavy lifting, zero drama. The SWL PlankLifter effortlessly hoists planks up to 800 kilograms and a whopping 13 meters long. Flexible suction pads, switchable vacuum circuits, and a powerhouse vacuum pump deliver rock-solid grip and serious versatility. Demanding work sites just met their new favorite superhero: efficient, secure, unstoppable. Pallets, prepare to level up. These pallet collars turn ordinary pallets into rugged, customizable storage crates in mere minutes. Stackable, fold flat, and built tough with wood and steel construction, they snap together tool-free like magic. Flexible, export-ready storage for heavy equipment and industrial materials. Pallets never looked this cool. Meet the Edge Prep Overachiever. The ABMR5 Compact Auto Feed Radius. Beveller delivers fast, precise bevels with automatic feeding and magnetic traction gliding it along smoothly. No thermal distortion, no flipping plates, no nonsense, just top-quality edges every time. Metal fabrication just got faster, smarter, and seriously more portable. Stairs got you stressed? Not anymore. This stair measuring tool whips up spot-on templates for treads, risers, and shelves like it's no big deal. Locking pivot arms, adjustable angles, and rugged aluminum construction team up for faster, laser-precise installations. Guesswork officially retired. Precision just became your new best friend. Climbing just got a serious upgrade. The Tree Step pedal installer makes installing tree steps faster, safer, and impressively consistent. Its rugged design boosts leverage, cuts effort, and nails secure, accurate placement every time. Less fatigue, less hassle, more climbing. Hunters and climbers, your new best sidekick has arrived. Say hello to lifting made easy. The portable Jib Crane brings safe, efficient muscle with an ergonomic design and intuitive controls anyone can master. Choose mild or stainless steel, backed by integrated safety systems, CE certification, and optional ATEX compliance. Demanding industrial environments just found their new heavy lifting hero. Mowing, meet your upgrade. This push mower kit delivers cordless, self-propelled power with adjustable speed and up to 80 minutes of runtime for serious lawn domination. With versatile 3-in-1 cutting and handy foldable storage, effortless lawn maintenance is officially every season's easiest flex. Grass never stood a chance. Trees and hedges, brace yourselves. The GreenTec Puma is a seriously versatile multi-carrier that pairs perfectly with telehandlers, loaders, and excavators. Its adjustable arm and quick change attachments make hedge trimming and tree pruning effortless, even in tight orchards, forest tracks, and cycle paths. Confined spaces just got conquered. Bumpy lawns, meet your match. The garden roller smooths out uneven turf and boosts seed-to-soil contact for lush, healthy grass growth. Just fill the heavy-duty drum with water or sand to customize the weight. Instant lawn care flexibility. Maintenance made easy all year round. Your grass will thank you. Dead battery? Not today. The Sealey RoadStart brings a jaw-dropping 4,000 amps of peak power to jumpstart petrol and diesel vehicles like it's nothing. Compact, packing a hefty 32,000 mAh battery and loaded with built-in safety features. It's reliable jump-starting and portable charging wherever you need it. Roadside drama? Cancelled. Huge thanks for hanging out with us. If your jaw is still on the floor from these mind-blowing inventions, do us a favor. Smash that subscribe button like it owes you money. Join our growing squad of future lovers, and stick around for even more jaw-dropping tech magic. See you next time.